3 habits of highly effective manufacturing culture. Welcome to my weekly video channel. Hi, my name is Samantha, the second generation owner of Glasfil Polymer Sdn. We are a one-stop plastic injection molding solution center in Malaysia. I recently came across a book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I decided to select 3 of the habits and compare them to what we face every day in the manufacturing environment. Habit number 1, be proactive. It is always better to create and control a situation rather than to respond to it after it happens. While this may seem like an obvious habit everyone should possess, most people in the manufacturing only see what is in front of them. Every day, we have orders to put out, and every day new orders comes in. The production team rushes to complete the job for the day, so no one thinks about job status for tomorrow that needs to be handled. One of the worst things that could happen is when you realize you should have started the job earlier. To avoid delays and any other unexpected incident, one should constantly look ahead and plan. Once the jobs that are running today are set, you can start staging and arranging tomorrow's work. So tomorrow when everyone arrives, all they have to do is execute. To do this is a collaborative effort of every department that takes a lot of communication and constant proactive forward thinking. What you should seek in your manufacturing culture is to raise the bar with how circumstances are handheld proactively to set you up for success by having everyone orchestrate their efforts to keep to your timetable. Next, habit number 2, Synergize. Here, Synergize means teamwork. An American author by the name of Ken Bernhardt once said, "None of us are as smart as all of us. When facing a problem and a single person is not able to solve it, work together as a team to come up with a solution." Sometimes when a problem arises, it is easy to point the finger and blame someone else. The sales department blames the production department, and the production department blames the R&D. The departments go on and on. However, nothing gets solved and more problems will arise. Working together as a team will solve more quickly. Every employee comes from a different background and has their own skill sets and viewpoints. These differences should be celebrated and brought together to solve problems. You should create a culture where employees try to make it easier on the next guy by helping. Discuss what isn't working together as a group and find a way to work together better. Finally, the last habit is prioritizing. Do you know what is the most important thing your company needs to do today? Do you know which work order to prioritize? A way to prioritize an important job is to make it clear that it's an important job. You can do this by assigning important jobs as a special code or symbols to notify everyone that this job is to be prioritized. Every department should be trained that when they see that code or symbol on that particular job, it goes straight to the head of the line and all other job comes after it. By setting this as a standard work habit, all employees will know what to do and the orders can be expedited. This also doesn't mean that the order has to be produced on the day itself when it's due. If it can be done earlier, do it earlier. Do you have any questions that you would like to ask me to explain about plastic injection molding and plastic manufacturing? Feel free to drop me an email at asksam@glasfil.com. If you like my video, don't forget to click on subscribe, turn on notification bell to get more weekly updates on manufacturing tips, design tips, and some plastic insider tricks for you to create excellent product that works as a solution for mankind. See you next week and goodbye.